channel. So today I'm going to share new WhatsApp tips and tricks, and some of you might know about it and some of you might not know. So to know, watch the full video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notifications. Before I get to the list, if you haven't watched my previous video on WhatsApp tips and tricks, I recommend you to go and watch that video first. I'll give the link in the description box down below, so check it out. Without further ado, let's get started. As I'm using my phone to record this video, so I can't show you my phone over here, but I have screen recorded it, so I'll put the recording up here so you can watch the video, like how to go on with it. So there are 8 tricks, again 8 tricks I'm gonna show you. Tip number 1 is WhatsApp status. So when you open WhatsApp, go to the status option, click on the camera button, take any picture. You can take any picture. You can see my dog's photo is all over there. Like I click thousands of photos every day of it. So crop the image if you want to. I'm cropping my picture. So now click on the text tool, text T icon. So write any text. And now after writing your text, if you click on the T button, you can see the font is changing. So that's a new update to WhatsApp. I have changed my font just by tapping on the T button. So this is a new trick. If you want to change fonts in your status, you can use this trick. You can also add stickers. I guess everyone knows that. But still, if you don't know, you can also add stickers like this. You can customize the stickers. You can use different fonts in WhatsApp like this. I'm posting the update. Tip number 2 is sharing status. So you can actually share the WhatsApp status in 3 different ways. If you click on your status, you will see 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots, and then you get 3 options: forward, share, share to Facebook. So these are the 3 options. If you click on forward, you will share it. You will share the status with your WhatsApp contacts. And if you click on share, then you will share it. You can share it to different platforms like on Instagram, Facebook, any other media apps, any apps you can share it with. And then if you click on the share to Facebook button, it will share the status to your Facebook story. So these are 3 different ways you can share your particular WhatsApp status, like I have shown over here. You can see the demo. You can share the WhatsApp text status in 2 different ways. Number 1, you can share it in a text format. For that, you have to click on the status, then click on the view button. There you will get the arrow. Just click on the arrow and send it to whoever you want to send. It will share the WhatsApp text status in a text format. And if you want to share the text status in a picture format, just click on your status, click on the 3 dots, then click share. You can choose WhatsApp from there, and then you can share it to any contact you want. It will share the text status in a picture format. So you can share the text status in 2 different ways. Tip number 3 is WhatsApp dark mode. Everyone now knows about it, that you get WhatsApp dark mode enabled in every device right now. But you can actually use WhatsApp dark mode in 2 different ways. So the first is the inbuilt WhatsApp dark mode. Everyone knows how to enable it. Just go to settings, chats, theme, then you can select dark and tap on OK. So now you are using your default WhatsApp inbuilt dark mode. This is one way you can use the dark mode. But there is another way you can also use the dark mode. That is your phone's inbuilt dark mode. You can turn on the system dark mode by going to the settings. Also, it depends on your device. So go and check where your option is. Just enable it and keep WhatsApp dark mode in light mode. So if you use the system dark mode, you will get to see a different WhatsApp. So the color is a little bit different. I'm using VIVO Z1X, and my system dark mode is way better than WhatsApp's default dark mode. I like the purple shade of it. Tip number 4, pin important chats. I guess everyone knows that, or maybe some of you don't know about it. You can actually pin a particular chat. If it's very important for you, it will be on the top of your chat list all the time. For that, just click on hold on the contact you want to pin the chat for, and you will see there's a pin button. So if you click on that, your chat will be at the top. So this way you can pin 3 chats. That is the maximum chat you can pin. So tip number 5 is mark important messages. You can star mark a message if it's very important, so that you don't have to find it every time you want to see the message. So for that, just click on the message, click and hold on the message, and you will see a star icon. Just click on it, and to view your starred messages, just go back to your home screen and you will see the 3 dots. Click on that and you will see start message. So you can check all the messages that you have marked important over there, so you don't have to go to a chat every day to find that particular message. And tip number 6 is fingerprint unlock. I guess we all use WhatsApp in privacy mode. Everyone uses a pin lock, fingerprint lock, or a pattern lock. Everyone locks their WhatsApp. So I use my default system app lock, but you can actually use WhatsApp's inbuilt fingerprint unlock. To enable the fingerprint unlock, all you have to do is go to settings, account, privacy. If you scroll down below, you will see at the bottom there is an option for fingerprint unlock. Just click on it and set up your fingerprint unlock. That way you can use your default WhatsApp fingerprint unlock. Tip number 7 is save mobile data and phone storage. This is very needed for everyone because our phones get loaded with WhatsApp data. We often get lots of messages in our groups, in privately, everyone sends photos. So there's one way you can save data, phone data, plus you can save phone storage. That is, you can disable few options. For that, go to settings, then tap on data and storage uses. There you get an option for when using mobile data. Just disable all the options over there: photo, video, documents, even disable all the options for when connected to Wi-Fi. That will save you a lot of space in your phone and data also. If you turn off the options, what will happen is that your photos will not be downloaded automatically. You have to download the photo individually. So this way, all the messages that you get, all the photos and video contents that you receive in WhatsApp will not be downloaded to your device directly. If you want to view a photo or video, then you have to download it particularly. So in this way, you save a lot of space. Okay, so our last tip is tip number 8, data and storage usage. We use WhatsApp every day, every second, every moment. Our WhatsApp is using data. It's consuming data, and we are getting lots of photos, documents, videos, everything. If you want to know how much space it is consuming, there's one way to find out. So go to settings, go to data and storage usage, then click on network usage, then click on storage usage. There you will see the chats by size, like which chat is consuming more data. You can find that who have sent you how many photos and how many files there is, so you can delete it later on if you don't need them anymore. So this way you can save a lot of data. Like you'll be able to see like who has sent you how many files, who is consuming more data and frequently chatted with. Like all the chats are organized in that way. So these were the tips and tricks I had to share with you people. So if you didn't know about this, then do like and comment, and if you knew any one of this, then let me know in the comment section below. And do like, share, comment and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. And thank you for watching, and I'll update a new video I guess within next few days. So if you want more videos like this, then do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so that's it then. Bye bye.
Oh, and if you missed my monkey, then I would like to call my monkey Pet Monkey. This is my sister, Pet Monkey.
And she is my elder sister, Donkey. Very cute. Please subscribe her channel and like also the video.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. See ya.